Say hello.
Are you starting already?
Yes.
I look like crap. Oh my god.
Are you ready to go?
No. Did you tell them what happened?
No, what happened?
So yesterday I was craving spicy ramen, and then I had the 2 times spicy ramen, and I also had some drinks, and now I am
Upset in the stomach.
incapacitated. I am kneeling over the bed because the rest of my body refuses to do this. Why are we vlogging this? Good afternoon, friends.
Hi.
We're just chilling in bed right now, waiting for our Uber. Today is Wednesday the 16th, and it is the day that we are flying to Hawaii. Yay! So we have all our luggage packed, and we got our trusty GoPro and drone and my phone. How excited are you for this trip?
Very excited. Very happy. We have a lot of activities planned, but then also enough time to do what we want to do. Just randomly explore. So that's always great.
Hello guys, we made it. We are finally in, oh gosh, Kauai, and Josh has already popped our champagne right here. But I thought I'd just give you guys a little bit of a room tour before this place becomes a mess. So let's get started. When you first walk in, the bathroom is on your right hand side. We have an amazing shower and then a big mirror, hello. And the closets are on the left. Just pretty standard. When you walk in, there's a nice big bed, and then there's a little lounge area, and then table area. And we told them it was our anniversary, which it almost is. So they gave us a bottle of champagne. I forgot to mention, but they also gave us a little care package with what I'm assuming is 2 masks, some hand sanitizer, and some wipes. But I haven't opened it yet, but this is really sweet. Josh just found out that they have a bidet and he's so happy. They also gave us this map, and holy, this hotel resort is so large. I think the lady said that it was 52 acres, and they have a 24-hour pool, which is what we're facing right now. And then let me show you guys a clip of their front entrance area. It is so gorgeous. And then all the amenities as usual. They also have like daily activities that we can do, which is so cute. And there's so many of them. And apparently it comes with spa fitness classes too. So I don't know if we're gonna have time to try them, but just letting you guys know. And then we also requested the pool view, and I know it's dark at night, so you can't really see anything, but there's a little seating area. And then pool. And in a minute, it will change to daytime. Let's go. Good morning, friends. Today is officially the first day of our Hawaii trip. We are currently all in our bikinis right now, or I'm in my bikini, and Josh is in his bikini too. We have absolutely nothing on the agenda today. So we are going to go get breakfast in the morning and then probably just sit by the pool for a little bit. This place has like a lazy river and a kid pool and an adult pool, and it's like so pretty. I don't know if you can see, it's a little backlit here, but look at that. So our hotel room is overlooking the adult pool, I believe. So we're just gonna go sit by there, and honestly it doesn't look too crowded, but it is kind of early in the morning. It's like 9 a.m. so it might get a little crowded starting once we finish breakfast. But we'll take you guys along and get some fire photos. And yeah. Hello friends, we are back in the hotel now after spending like over 4 hours suntanning and swimming in the pool. Anyways, I just really want to quickly touch on how nice the service in this hotel is from the minute that we stepped in. I feel like both of us were pretty blown away by the service, but it's just like little things, you know, the doorman, the bellman, all the waiters here, and the amenities are so nice. And we've actually booked like a morning yoga session on this upcoming Monday. Yeah, and I've gotten several comments from people saying that they've stayed here before and it's really nice. And yeah, I just really wanted to touch on that. So I would highly recommend this hotel, even though it's only been like less than 24 hours since we've been here. We're gonna chill in the hotel room for a little bit and then head out to the beach adjacent to this hotel. It's about like a 5-minute walk or so. So we will take you along. I don't know what day it is, but we will pop it up on the screen. It is around 6:30 a.m. We are supposed to be at this boat harbor because we're doing a Napali boat tour. So Napali is like a really gorgeous coast off the north shore of Kauai. And this boat tour includes obviously the boat ride there, as well as snorkeling and as well as lunch. So we will take you guys along. We're both a little scatterbrained because we're running a little late as usual. But yeah.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
1:46 and we just finished our boat tour, and holy shit, I thought it was gonna be a boat tour. Turns out it was a raft tour. So we were on a motorized raft the entire time, and we were just like sitting on the sides of the raft holding onto ropes. There was like nothing else going. At least, like, how fast do you think it's going? It's probably going like 30 to 40 miles an hour with like somewhat choppy water. But yeah, it was so beautiful. We just went up the coast, snorkeled, went through sea caves, and then also had a picnic at on the coast. And I would highly recommend this tour company that we went with. It's called GoBlueAdventures.com, and it's just gorgeous. I have no words. I'm sure you guys saw in the clip previously. I mean, we were sprayed in the face by seawater many times. It was like a joyride, but like over 4 hours. So we're exhausted. We're just gonna head back to the hotel and just relax for the rest of the day, because my body is not up for anything else. And until I wash the salt off my face, I'm good. I'm just gonna chill. But anyways, so go check out Go Blue Adventures. It was really fun, and I highly recommend it.